Hello student, Unique Academy of Science, Class 10, Science, Chapter number 1, Chemical Reaction and Chemical Equation. In this video lecture, we are studying balanced and unbalanced chemical equation and what are the importance of balanced equation and how we can balance the chemical equation. So first we can start balanced and unbalanced chemical equations. Now unbalanced chemical equation, in which we can return a chemical equation and find the total number of elements in left side and find the total number of elements in left side. So here both side the elements are same, then the equation is balanced. But if the elements number are not same in both side, then we can say that equation is unbalanced. For example, you can see that in this equation Mg plus O2 means magnesium ribbon is burned in air, so it react with oxygen gas and produce magnesium oxide as a white powder. So here the equation is written in form of symbolic equation. So symbolic equation Mg plus O2, it gives MgO. So here you can see that here left side magnesium element is 1 and oxygen is 2. So here you can see that Mg is left side is 1 and right side it is also 1, but oxygen O2 here it is 2, but here only 1. So in left side O2 is 2, but here is O is 1. So left hand side and right hand side both are cannot match. So this is known as unbalanced chemical equation. But balance equation, so balance equation in which we can put one, we can now sorry in balance equation the number of different elements on both side equations are always equal. So example, here you can written as this equation, put 2 as Mg, so Mg becomes twice, so plus 2 Mg plus O2, so it gives 2 MgO. So here you can see that 2 Mg, here 2 Mg and O2, so here O and it's multiplied by 2, so it becomes O is also 2 and magnesium is also 2. So here left hand side is equal to right hand side, so we can see that this is the balanced chemical equation. Okay. Now importance of balanced chemical equation. So by the use of the balanced chemical equation, so we here requirement of the law conservation of mass, so it is easily fulfillment. Okay. Now balancing of chemical equation. So balancing of chemical equation, it is one type of process for making a number of different types of elements or in both sides both sides of the equation is equal or not. Here we can put one any number, so we can make the equation as a balance. Now the balancing of chemical equation is done with the help of the heat trial method. Here we can use the heat trial method. It can be help for to balance the chemical equation, in which the coefficient before the symbol or formula of the reactant and the product are adjusted in such way that total number of atoms both sides are equal. Okay, so the balancing is known as mass balancing because the atom of the elements both sides are equal and their masses will be also equal. Now what are the steps are available in the heat trial method to make a balancing equation? So first write the chemical equation in the form of word equation. So in any chemical reaction there is the just sentence form is given, so we convert it into the word equation, then keep reactant on left side and as well as product are written in right side, then separated both by the use of the arrow symbol, then converted into the word equation to converted word equation into the word equation into the symbol equation by writing the symbol and the formula all the reactant and product. Then third, make the atoms different elements on both side equation and suitable for equation equal by the suitable method, and it is known as balancing of equation. Then fourth, do not change the formula of the substance while balancing the equation. Then fifth, make the equation more informative if it is possible. Now for example, the statement is given: zinc react with dilute sulfuric acid and give zinc sulfate and the hydrogen. So here you can see that zinc react with dilute sulfuric acid. So here reactant is zinc and dilute sulfuric acid, and it's produce zinc sulfate and hydrogen. So by the use of the word equation, here zinc plus sulfuric acid and it gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Okay, now it converted into the symbol equation for the same reaction is zinc means Zn, sulfuric acid means H2SO4 and it gives ZnSO4 means zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen means H2. Okay, now here we can calculate the total number of atoms of the all elements in the reactant and the product in both side. So here you can see that in this equation the total elements number of atoms means left hand side reactants, where the number of atoms in product side means are right hand side. So here you can see that Zn, zinc, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen are used. So zinc left side, so you can see that zinc here left side is only 1, so here we can put 1. Then hydrogen is left hand side, it is 2, so here we can put 2. Then sulfur means here S, so sulfur is available in left hand side in reactant only 1. Then oxygen means O, it is available in 4, total number of is 4 in left side. Now right hand side you can see that Zn is only 1, whereas sulfur S is 2, sulfur is only 1, whereas hydrogen H2 means is right side is only 2, so in this table we can put 2. Now oxygen is in right hand side, it is O4 means here 4, so here you can see that in left hand side Zn is 1, right hand side 1, H2 2 S1 1 O4 O4. So this is known as balanced chemical equation. So here we cannot requirement any further processing. Okay, so this equation is balanced. Now so here we can say that the number of atoms of the elements involved in the reactant and the products are equal and the equation is already balanced. Okay, so we cannot further process. Now another example statement is given: iron react with water stream to form a iron 2,3 oxide and liberated hydrogen gas. So here you can see that iron react with water. Okay, so iron means iron plus in word equation. Iron plus water are reactant and produce product. Iron 2,3 oxide plus hydrogen gas is produced. So this is the product and these are the reactant. Now converted into symbol equation. So iron means Fe plus water means H2O and it gives iron 2,3 oxide means Fe3O4 plus hydrogen gas. So it is converted into symbol equation from the word equation. Now balancing of the equation is done by the steps. So first we can calculate the total number of elements in reactants and the product are equal or not. So you can see that in this table here elements, number of atoms, reactant in left hand side, number of products in right hand side. So Fe here left hand side is 1 and right hand side Fe means Fe is right hand side, you can see that here is 3. Now H hydrogen, so hydrogen here in left hand side 2 and right hand side it is also 2. Now O oxygen, oxygen O is left hand side 1 and the right hand side O is 4. So here you can see that Fe is 1 and 3 not balanced, H 2 it is balanced, O 1 and 4 so it is also not balanced. So here we requirement balancing the chemical equation. So we can follow the particular steps. So what are the steps are available? Now second step, on the inspection of the number of O atoms, reactants is 1 while okay. Now so here we can put O is 4. So here how to produce O is 4. So here O is 4, so we can put here 4. So here in this equation 4 is written. So by the use of the 4 is written, the O is becomes 4 and here it is also 4. H here is 2 and here it is also 2. Now you can see that Fe is 3 and here it is not 3. So we can put the 3 in, we can put the 3 at the balancing this equation, means here we can put 3. So Fe plus 4H2O and it gives Fe3O4 plus here you can see that H becomes here 8 total. So here we can this written as 4. So this is the balanced chemical equation, we can check finally. So elements, number of atoms reactant in left hand side, number of atoms produce a product side. Now Fe is 3, H it is also 8, O it is 4, O 4, H 8, Fe 3. You can see in that this equation. Okay, so this is the balanced chemical equation. Okay, now what are the homework? The homework is first question, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, these all are examples you can solve by Saturday, Sunday and submit you on Monday. Okay, Monday is last for to submit this question. Okay, so solve this particular chemical equation. Okay, thank you.